Hello everyone, it's Jilly here from funcraftstodooathome.com, and as promised I am back with some free Valentine printable designs for your Valentine crafts. Altogether there's 22 designs, and I'm just going to quickly run through them so you can see exactly what you will get if you go over to my website to download these images. And then when you've seen all 22 designs, I'm going to do a very quick tutorial to show you how I made the glass pendant at the start of this video. So these individual designs that you're looking at now, they're all available as individual designs. They're also available on a 6x4 sheet that you can print off and then just cut out the designs which measure 1 inch square, and that's what you can use in your bag charms, your pendants, your fridge magnets, you know, anything, whatever you want. These ones you can cut up and use the hearts however you want to. This is in 2 sizes, UK A4 and US letter size. There's a couple of paler designs for people that probably, you know, that may not like such bright colours. There's a couple of designs here that you could print off and maybe write notes on, write a letter on. There's another one here that you can chop up and just use the sentiments. And here we see the sheet of 12 1-inch designs on a 6x4 sheet of paper. And I'm now going to show you very quickly how I made the glass pendant. So you download the design at my website, which there'll be a link at the end on the end screen of this video. I didn't have any 6x4 paper, so I printed it off on 7x5, which is why I'm just cutting it down so I can get the square punch into the right place. You can either punch them out or use scissors to cut them out. So I've tried to do different designs to suit different tastes. Hopefully people will find something here that they like. And as I said, you can use them for a wide variety of projects. These are the pendant trays that I use. I get them on Amazon, and these are the glass cabochons, the 1-inch glass cabochons I use. Now this is the double-sided tape that I use to stick the cabochons to the designs, and it's crystal clear. I will try and put a link in my blog to where I bought mine from, because it was really difficult to get hold of. I tried lots of different double-sided tapes until I found this one, and this is the only one that is crystal clear, and you just can't tell that it's there. And you need to make sure it's really stuck down well on the entire surface. And I save these little bits that I'm cutting off to put into the pendant tray, and I just put 2 pieces in, and I've never had a cabochon fall out. So then I'm just going to peel the film off the design. I'm sorry I did that off camera, but you can see it is absolutely crystal clear. And obviously you need to be really careful when you put this in place, because you only get one shot at this. And that's basically all there is to it. If you don't know where to get the supplies that I've used here, have a look in my Amazon shops. There's a link over on my blog, which is www.funcraftstodooathome.com. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now, and see you next time.